Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y to the power of 4. So we have 1 over y to the power of 3. First, the derivative of y over y to the power of 4. That is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to negative 1 over y to the power of 3. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have number 3 over y to the power of 4 dy over ds, or we write about first the derivative of y. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we divide both sides by number 3. So this one with this one we change by v. This one we change by this one. Next, we multiply both sides by number 3. So we see that 9 over s next to v, and we have first the derivative of v and v in here. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that 9 over s with the positive side, that is for integrating factor. So this one we have 9 l and s. So I will put number 9 go inside about ln. And we have like this. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So we simplify. This one we have 3s to the power of 4. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first the derivative of y equals to first the derivative of a multiplied by b plus first the derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one we have first the derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first the derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have vs to the power of 9. This one we have s to the power of 5 over 5, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.